Hi to all. So in this brief video, now we will solve the intrinsic value of a put option contract. I have kept the same information we have with a call option contract, and let's just make a small change. When you are investing, when you have a long position, you're investing in a put option. Basically, you're betting on the downside of a stock. You're betting on a stock doing poorly. If the stock does poorly, performs poorly, the stock drops in price, then you're basically gaining. So uh, you it's sort of having a short position on an asset. Okay, it's similar to having a short position of an asset in the sense that you gain if the stock goes down in price. So let's assume that the stock did poorly and you have 25 and you have 20, and the strike price of this contract is 45. Let's keep it like that. Let's keep the premium at 1. And this definition, it can be used for either a call or a put. If you have a put, you have the right of selling an asset and an underlying, selling an underlying at a predetermined price before an expiration. So that is a put option. I'm going to eliminate buy, and now let's focus on a put option. So if this is the case and you have a put option, then basically the way you would profit from this is, well, you are able to buy the stock at 20, and I'm going to flip these two things, and I think it will be helpful actually to start what we're doing. We're starting with the call, and we're flipping or the story so we can understand the put option. So you can buy the stock. So you see that these are the differences at 20. Why? Because everyone is buying or selling at 20. So you can buy the stock at 20, and then you can sell the stock at 45 because you have the right of doing so given your put option contract. Okay, so now the stock price is 20 and the strike price is 45, and now these formulas are all uh, these ones are same, but let me let's do them again. So at expiration, if you are the owner of a put option with a strike of 45, basically you are holding how much? Now, using our intuition, intuitively, if we are buying the stock at 20 and we are selling the stock at 45, right? 40, then we are receiving $45 in cash from selling the stock minus $20, which we need to buy the stock. So we are holding $25 in cash. So at expiration, the value of a put option, and let's use the same idea we used before, it is now strike minus the stock price. Now, what happens if we had the same situation we had before? So the stock price is actually 100. If we change the numbers here, we would end up with a loss minus 55. So in that case, you would not exercise your put option contract. In that case, you would simply, you're not interested in exercising, in selling at 45 because you can sell at 100 in the open market to everyone. So we have to make this small adjustment once again, which is max of strike minus stock or zero. So that is the formula which we can use for the intrinsic value of a put option. And now let's go back to stock price of 20, stock price of 20. And if we use this formula, max of strike price minus stock price or zero, then we reach the same number as we had from our intuition right there. Now, what is our profit? In the case of a put option, our profit is simply that it's the same thing, intrinsic value minus the premium, which is how much we paid for it, and then that's it. So now we have calculated not only the intrinsic value for a call option, but we have also done it for a put option. And I hope this is helpful. Thank you for your attention. In the next video, we will do just we will play with different scenarios and see something called a profit diagram for both a call option and a put option. Thank you for your attention.